With changing time, lifestyle, and needs, the human race is wanting to be fitter than the past. We are now witnessing a shift in social paradigm. Health has become the prime priority for everyone. And thus, it is our responsibility as a part of this great nation to contribute to the national health. Welcome to Leo NutriScience. Leo NutriScience was established in the year 2012 as a manufacturer of all nutritional supplement, a company that wants to serve on a global level. Later, in 2013, company entered in brand promotion of its own product. All our directors have a rich experience and pharmaceutical knowledge. They are experts in the given field, giving the company added advantage over the competitors. Leo NutriScience is powered and promoted by Surgeon Constructions. Leo NutriScience have been operating successfully for over 8 years and has gained international recognition too. Company has 50 plus own brand product and more than 700 products manufactured for his client. Its headquarters being at Ahmedabad. The company is accredited with FSSAI, ISO 2000, HACCP, GMP, QSHER, GCCR. Leo NutriScience currently exports into American, African, European, Asian, CIS countries and Gulf countries. Leo NutriScience is known for manufacturing, contract manufacturing and marketing world-class nutraceutical products in the forms of tablets, capsules, syrups, powdered supplements, gummy, sugar-free gummy, and effervescent tablet. These products are available in different packagings as per customers' need. These products take a long path before they reach our customers. Firstly, the best quality raw material is procured from our most trusted suppliers. These supplies are then verified and stored by our experts for further processing, and then it is sent to the respective production facilities. The facility is equipped with mass mixer, multi-mill, shifter, tablet compression machine, tablet coating machine, blister packing machine, aloo packing machines, FBD, RMG, octagonal, shrink wrapping machine, starch paste cutter, capsule filling machine, manufacturing tank, syrup manufacturing line, pouch sealing machine, patch coding, gummy manufacturing machine. Each of these processes is carried out under strict surveillance and expert supervision. Products are manufactured, packed and sealed using world-class technology, making sure that the best of products reaches our customers. We provide clean and hygienic canteen facilities to our valuable and skillful workers. Our facility is also equipped with air handling units. We specialize in whey supplements, iron supplements, protein supplements, dietary fibers, sugar substitutes, amino acid supplements, joint care supplements, pre-probiotics, nephro supplements, skin and hair supplements, vitamin and multivitamin supplements, energy drinks, gummies, toffee, and much more. Leo NutriScience today has a global presence thanks to its expert personnel. Human resource is the most important element when it comes to the success of a company. We are blessed by the most proficient experts who are very dedicated toward their work. Every individual, right from a warehousing professional to analyst to sales and marketing team, has a part to play. Production staff makes sure that the production is smooth and unhindered. Technical experts in our labs make sure that our product always hits the benchmark of quality.
Leo NutriScience has an extended range of products for each and every customers.
Health has become an integral part of your life, so we at Leo NutriScience take care of your health.
Leo NutriScience is a company driven by quality-based approach of their products.
Leo NutriScience has been awarded with Young Achiever Award in the year 2018.
The world-class infrastructure and state-of-the-art technology, highly qualified and expert personnel, quality-driven products, timely delivery of products. Join hands with Leo NutriScience for a healthier today and tomorrow. Choose Leo because we are always ahead in quality.